Hi guys, welcome to Add a Spec Reviews. Today we're going to do something very interesting and not like our usual content. Today we're going to go Christmas tree shopping, and we're going to go Christmas tree shopping with this car. So this is our electric smart car, and of course it is a lovely convertible as well, and it's not really suited for Christmas tree shopping, so we like to do fun, quirky things with it and make people smile. So hopefully this will bring a little cheer to your holiday season as we make a fool of ourselves driving down the road with a large Christmas tree and a large dog. There's me, large dog.
Right, so you guys heard Alyssa. This is our 2017 electric drive smart cabriolet. It is my favorite car I've owned. Certainly we own better vehicles to get Christmas tree shopping. You'll see in a couple days we have an F250 Super Duty that we're reviewing this week. We should have used that to get the Christmas tree, but no, the smart car is our vehicle of choice. How well is it going to work? I don't know. We're going to put the roof up. Can it even support the weight of a Christmas tree on the roof? These are all things we will find out in this episode, and I'm very interested to see what the efficiency of the smart car is with a giant Christmas tree on the roof going down the highway. This is going to be pretty interesting. Let's rock and roll. We are charged up to 100%. We can see that in this dial and this screen here. It's the first time we've done a 100% charge in quite a while in the smart car. Blue, are you pretty pumped to get a tree? Yes, thank you. Thank you. I know, you love the smart car. This really is the dog's car. We take them to the park in this thing. This is partially our filming vehicle, so if you ever see exterior B-roll of cars, we shot it out of this. And then this is the dog car. And we are pretty pumped to go get some Christmas trees, right buddy? He's very alert all the time. We're only about 10 miles away from the Christmas tree. We have more than enough range to make it there. Let's put this thing in drive. I think we're good to go, and let's rock and roll to get this tree. Here we go, getting the tree on the smart car. It looks like it's fitting just well. I think we should have gotten a bigger one, don't you think?
I think so.
And seems to work perfectly for this thing. Doesn't look silly enough. All right, we got the tree up on there. We're gonna do a little photo shoot over by Horsetooth Reservoir, and then we're gonna see how well this thing drives with that big tree on the roof. Well, it's not that big. I've had a bigger tree on here. I'll insert the photo now. There you go. But this is still a pretty good sized tree for the smart car. Everyone else is bringing their pickup trucks, SUVs. Now, just bring your smart car.
You wanna dance?
And there we have it. We've made it home with the Christmas tree this year. Didn't get a massive tree, just something about, you know, nice size. Held onto the smart car just fine. People were looking at us like we were stupid. But you know, this isn't really a true review, just some weekend content. Join us for a little adventure. We figured we'd sprinkle these in from time to time, but we'll be back soon with some more fun things. We have a lot of cars coming up to test, hopefully you enjoyed our little smart car adventure. Blue certainly enjoyed getting out of the house for a little bit.